Pretty much the same as yesterday morning's video. Nice strong run up the page. Dollar strong, CAD neutral. So after the dollar longs here, the retracement back to the 61% level. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 27 November 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US dollar, the yen and the Swiss, and short on the Aussie, the pound and in the euro. Looking at the dollar index, all crazy stuff, gapping down, gapping up and then filling the gaps, and just completely crazy stuff. So the market clearly, the dollar index clearly shows us we don't know where it wants to go, and it is in any case the next 2 days, or tomorrow it is Thanksgiving in the US. Friday will most likely be taken off by most people, so I think this will continue for the rest of the week, quite sidewaysness at this stage. We look at gold. After a steep drop, we're starting to see that gradual step up the page, but on small bodies. You can see here, this bigger bodies it was, and now it's on small bodies. But small bodies here, depends on what it does now, but when it gets to the halfway mark here, that's a natural resistance level in the market, and we will see how it respond there. At this stage, you have to stay bearish. The trend is bearish, everything is here bearish on the daily charts. And maybe this is a good place to look at this. This was your mercy run for any longs. If you didn't use the opportunity while you paid the price, if you used the opportunity, this is where you could swing now to the short side of things. But the halfway mark will show us now. It seldom will continue after a big candle like that. They like to retrace to the halfway marks, and from there on it comes down. So let's see what happens there. But for now, I'm staying pretty much out of gold. Bitcoin breaking through the $93 levels, bouncing back now. The support level, I would say, on a daily close below, it negates sort of this level. But I would still say, let's see what happens today. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin loves to overshoot, so I'm not going to be too eager saying that it's going to draw down further or retrace further. At this stage, I'm still holding on to the $93 levels. I'll see now. If it can bounce off strongly here today, that means the 93 was support. But if we got another black candle or another lower close, it's all right. I think that level went. I think the next level that we should look at then is this $88 levels there. But for now, it's still sort of holding. Let's see what happens by tomorrow. And my target stays the same as all the previous videos. In the pound US, we got the short there, it got very close there, then it tested again. And if you weren't in the trade, there's another shooting star option, very nice shooting star option for another short coming in there, looking at that. So it's a bit hectic at this stage. Markets go very sideways, and I think it's going to go sideways for the rest of the week. My stop losses are still up on those highs there, 10-15 pips above those highs. So I'm just sitting tight. I have showed the target setting on yesterday's video. I'm going to go through it again. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. In the New Zealand yen, on the retest, the bearish engulfing, I gave you the short setup yesterday morning. Yes, and it started to go my way immediately, and I thought, this is going to be great. And as it broke to a new low last night, yesterday evening, I trailed the stop loss to entry, and that got trickled out. That's the way I do things. When it breaks a major low, I will trail stop loss to entry, and unfortunately it trickled me out and then came back. Okay, it did cut through the level quite hectically. I was happy seeing that this morning early, but now it's coming down. So unfortunately out of this trade, but nonetheless just making the brokers happy, but no gain for me on this trade. In the pound Australian dollar, this one doesn't look good. Got the short in the pound here. You can see here we got the close below the halfway mark. That's a piercing line, or actually a dark cloud cover. Sorry, it's the bearish one. And it's just kept on going up after the entry. So not a nice one, but missed the stop. If you allowed the 15 pips plus the spread, that means you're still in the trade, but not looking good at all. Not looking good at all. But I will hold on tight. Got the stop in place. I will see what happens next. And then the US CAD, pretty much the same as yesterday morning's video. Nice strong run up the page, dollar strong, CAD neutral. So I'm after the dollar longs here. The retracement back to the 61% level. That's the area I'm looking for this to take some longs on some nice candle reversals. So a very short video this morning, guys, but trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.